Corded oscillating power tools are versatile and powerful devices that are perfect for a variety of tasks. There are many products available to choose corded oscillating power tools, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices, to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best corded oscillating power tools from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Vevor Multi-Tool Oscillating Tool. Upgrade your toolkit with the Vevor Oscillating Tool. This versatile power tool comes with a range of accessories, including saw blades, a scraper, and sanding pads, allowing you to tackle various DIY tasks with ease. The powerful 2.5-amp motor and 6-speed settings provide the power and precision needed for even the toughest jobs. With a 3.1 degrees oscillation angle, you can reach tight corners and narrow spaces effortlessly. Changing blades is quick and easy thanks to the locking lever, and the universal interface ensures compatibility with most mainstream brand accessories. The variable speed dial allows you to set the perfect speed for any task, and the built-in LED light provides illumination in dark environments. The auxiliary handle can be installed on either side for comfortable use, and all accessories can be stored in the included hard BMC case. With its compact and lightweight design, low noise level, and outstanding performance, the Vevor Oscillating Tool is a must-have for any DIY enthusiast. Number 2. Populo 20V Cordless Oscillating Toolkits. Populo 20V Cordless Oscillating Toolkits is a versatile multi-tool that can cut, sand, trim, and scrape various materials, including wood, drywall, nails, copper pipes, and ceramic tiles. It features a powerful motor with a 6-speed position and 4.5 degrees oscillating angle, making it easy to customize the speed. The cordless design makes it convenient to use in tight spaces, and the innovative technology provides a lower vibration and noise level than other brands. The kit includes 27 pieces and comes with a 12-month warranty. Number 3. Enertwist Oscillating Tool. The Enertwist Oscillating Tool has a powerful 4.2-amp motor that can cut metal, tile, nails, bolts, concrete, wood, plumbing pipes, drywall cutouts, remove old paint grout, trim door casings, scrap sealant or old caulk, and strip floors. The 5 degrees oscillation angle allows for fast cutting, sanding, and easy control, while 6 variable speeds provide optimal performance and control for different construction, home repair, or remodeling projects. The quick change accessory system and universal fit system make changing accessories easy. The kit includes a nylon carrying bag and 31 accessories. Number 4. Galax Pro 2.4-amp 6 variable speed oscillating multi-tool. The Galax Pro Multi-Tool Kit is a powerful and durable oscillating tool that makes cutting, sawing, trimming, grinding, and sanding tasks easy and efficient. With its 2.4 motor, it provides 2.1 zizens in oscillations per minute, allowing you to tackle any task with ease. The variable speed control feature, with 6 settings ranging from 1.1 zizens into 21,000 revolutions per minute, gives you the flexibility to adjust the speed according to the needs of your project. The quick release lever enables tool-free blade replacement, saving you valuable time and effort. Its compact aluminum head allows you to reach tight and hard-to-reach places effortlessly. With the Galax Pro Multi-Tool Kit, you'll have everything you need to get the job done, including 28 accessories and a convenient carry bag. Number 5. Enventor Cordless Multi-Tool. The Enventor Cordless Oscillating Multi-Tool is a powerful and versatile tool that is perfect for a wide range of tasks. With its brushless powerful motor, this multi-tool offers increased efficiency and performance, making it ideal for cutting wood and metal tubes. The tool features 6 variable speeds and a 4-degree oscillating angle, allowing you to easily adjust the vibration speed and choose the right level for different applications. The cordless design, powered by a 2.0 Li-ion battery, provides convenience and flexibility, especially for hard-to-reach areas. The quick change and quick charge features make it easy to replace the base and blades, while the fast charger reduces the battery charging time to just 1 hour. With the Enventor Cordless Oscillating Multi-Tool, you also get a wide range of accessories and a 12-month warranty, ensuring that you have everything you need for your projects. That's all from on my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more easier.